So, in equipment, we have 3 Erlenmeyer flask 100 ml, 1 volumetric pipette 10 ml, 1 volumetric pipette 25 ml, 1 bulb pipette, 1 aqua-this bottle, 1 glass funnel, 2 drop pipette, 1 beaker 250 ml, 1 burette, and 1 set stands and double burette clamps. And in material, we have aqua-this, phenolphthalein, unknown acid solution, oxalic acid solution, and sodium hydroxide solution.
So, the first step is pour the sodium hydroxide into the beaker glass using the funnel as much as you want. And the second step is pour the sodium hydroxide that already saved in beaker glass into the burette until the independent line or 0.0 milliliter of the burette itself. And the third is take the oxalic acid with the normality is 0.1 using the volumetric pipette until the independent line and then pour it into the Erlenmeyer. And the fourth step is take 2 until 3 drops of the phenolphthalein with the drop pipette and pour it into the Erlenmeyer that already filled by the oxalic acid. And the fifth step is open the sink of the burette who already filled by the sodium hydroxide into the Erlenmeyer who already filled with the oxalic acid and also phenolphthalein, and then stir it until the color change into pink. So guys, these are the results of the first experiment that conducted in 3 times using phenolphthalein, oxalic acid, and also the sodium hydroxide.
Now, the second experiment using unknown acid. The first step of the second experiment is add the unknown acid into the beaker glass as much as you want. The second step is take the unknown acid using volumetric pipette until the independent line. And pour into Erlenmeyer. The third step is add 2 drops of phenolphthalein into the beaker glass that already filled by unknown acid. And the last step is open the sink of the burette that already filled with sodium hydroxide into the beaker glass that already filled with unknown acid plus phenolphthalein and stir it until the color changes into pink. And these are the results of the second experiment that conducted in 3 times using phenolphthalein, sodium hydroxide, and unknown acid.
So that's all our video about acid-base titration. I hope you guys like and enjoy our video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video report. Bye!
I'm nothing but myself, you are no one else. Thankful you're my day one, thankful you're mine. I got lucky finding you. I won't make the day that I came across you, 'cause when you're with me, I don't feel blue. Not a day goes by that I would not redo. Everybody wants to love.
Yeah, that's right.
It's easy when you try hard enough. Yeah, that's right. You'll always